Today we continue our condo and townhome video series by shining the spotlight on the Element Flats neighborhood, located on the south side of Magic Mountain Parkway in the FivePoint Valencia community here in Santa Clarita. This video's presented compliments of your local real estate professionals, Matt and Meray Gregory of the Gregory Real Estate Group. Also considered condos, the Element Flats feature a modern contemporary design and appeal to those looking for a more simplified, low-maintenance lifestyle. As we walk through the neighborhood, we find the shared areas are well maintained and include developed walkways and multiple green belts, all surrounded by professionally landscaped plants and shrubs. That said, it's not always easy to tell where one neighborhood ends and the next begins. To help with that, take a look at this outline showing the boundaries of the Element subdivision. Built by Lennar, Element comprises a compact cluster of attached 1, 2, and 3-level condos available in a variety of contemporary open floor plans. While some units offer direct ground-level access, others require entry through a modest building lobby. From there, residents can either walk along the first-floor corridor or take the stairs to access upper-floor units via corresponding corridors. It is important to note that there are no elevators. These generously sized flats range from approximately 915 to 2,489 square feet, featuring expansive open living areas that seamlessly integrate the kitchen, dining, and living room. The units vary from 1 to 4 bedrooms, with the primary bedrooms being particularly impressive. Each home includes 1 to 3.5 bathrooms, including a primary bathroom directly connected to the primary bedroom. Some residences boast either a covered or uncovered deck or patio, and in some cases both. Every unit comes with a laundry room or closet, and some have a 1 or 2 car garage and an interior storage room situated near the associated unit. The multi-level units also feature lofts, and some layout variations conveniently include a primary bedroom and bathroom or secondary bedroom and full bathroom on the first floor. Additionally, there are a few large single-level units with ground-level access, eliminating the need for stair climbing. When it comes to recreational amenities, those here are outstanding. It's about 1.3 miles to Confluence Park, where residents can enjoy resort-style amenities with everything one might expect in a contemporary new home community. It's worth noting there are 2 monthly HOA fees and an annual Mello Roos. Of course, there's plenty more to share, but to learn more about nearby schools, local conveniences, and to see listings of homes for sale, visit our website at GregoryRealEstateGroup.com. There, you'll also find extensive reports about nearly every community in Valencia and all of Santa Clarita. As always, we appreciate sharing insights about the homes and neighborhoods we serve. Should you need help buying or selling a home, don't hesitate to reach out. Remember, with us, there's never any sales pressure whatsoever. Wishing you a fantastic day, and until next time, goodbye.